guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Gearheadgirl, and today we're going to be showing you a basic tutorial on how to install Underglow on your vehicle. So if you don't know what to get, or you don't know what all we have here, you can go ahead and check out the video in the link above for our unboxing of our Underglow kit. So this particular kit comes with the 4 strips. So you can see here we've got a short one and a long one. So you've got the 2 short ones, 2 long ones. The long ones are for the side skirts and the short ones are for the front and rear bumpers. And so basically we've got that, we've got our remote. Our particular kit did not come with a battery for this, and this little remote says needs either a CR2025 or a CR2032. So when you have your battery ready, you can remove this little plastic, insert the battery, and then your remote will be ready to go. But for our purposes, so we're going to be installing this, and it is going to be a bit hard to say, so this is going to be a quick thing here. But you've got, you know, again, just measure it up, make sure you got the short one, and you're going to take your short one. You've got this adhesive plastic, adhesive backing, so you just pull off the red plastic and you'll reveal the sticky side of the adhesive. And you're going to run it's somewhere kind of hidden under your bumper. You might want to test a few different spots, see what looks the best as far as is being hidden and illuminated. So before we go and run all these wires through the car, because that's what you're going to do, is run all the wires through the car, and then you run this to power, and then you'll be able to control it with your remote. 12 volt power. We want to go ahead and test to make sure that everything works, rather than installing it in the car and then finding out, oh, something doesn't work, and then having to rip it all out. So to do that, we're just going to want to get a power source here. Any 12 volt power source will be fine. And just make sure you separate it out because you don't want everything touching. All right, so there you can see the lights are all working and functional. And so you'll obviously be able to control these with the remote once installed. And so we'll go ahead, run these through the car, and then just hook this up to our 12 volt source, and we'll be all good to go. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and feel free to share and comment below. We'll catch you back for the next one. See ya.